So, Inter Milan 1. Arsenal, scary, dangerous, scintillating, dark arts Arsenal. The defensive line is amazing. The creative spark is back conveniently as soon as Super Duper Edu leaves the club and gave up on the process that he told us to trust. Neil, again, Matty, it was limp. It was boring. It was sideways. It was actually embarrassing. If anything, we've seen Inter Milan back in the day at that ground when Arsenal have gone there with these G's and we've done them 5. And tonight we limped out of there, mate, without even really laying a glove on them. And people could say, yeah, they've only had one shot on target against us, and that was a penalty. And their XG was 0.05, and we had 4 shots, and we should have had a penalty, and the penalty was harsh. Whatever. Yeah. They rested 5 of their best players for Antonio Conte. Yes, Antonio Conte's, I was going to say Chelsea, Napoli team at the weekend. Because they're not scared of us, Matty. And that is the most damning thing for me, yeah? The fact that a manager that we've wanted at the club, that we've got told is not great, is not this, it's a farmers league, has literally just sat there and laughed in our faces tonight. Like we're nothing. Arsenal are coming to town. Piss off. Make sure you sub to Southern Gooner. Link will be in the title. As soon as this ends, join us for the live with DJB, Northside, Matty, and we're going to rip this up. But Matty, say what you got to say, my guy.
I'm just going to tell you just to start replaying my old fan cams. Just line them up and just change the title and just run it again because it's the same thing. We've been doing this every fan cam. It's the same. I got to say the same exact thing over and over and over. I know people come to my fan cam and are like, damn, man, he just said that last fan cam. Then they go to the fan cam before that one. Then they say, damn, he said that one. Then they go to the one before that and they say, damn, he said it then too. It's over and over and over. I've got some stuff I want to drop on you, Lee. Arsenal are winless and goalless in their last 5 UEFA Champions League away games against Italian clubs.
Wow.
All of them. Roma, Milan, Napoli, Atalanta, Inter. We got a problem playing Italian teams. Got another stat for you. Arsenal attempted 20 shots. They're most without a score and a goal since 2006. That's another record. Just add to the many piles of failure that this manager has. International for all these Arsenal fans this week that talk that trash, pray for Inter and all this stuff. Remain unbeaten in their last 11 Champions League games at home and have kept 9 clean sheets in this run. So, Lee, it sounded like to me everything was pretty much lined up for them to get the job done and head on out of Dodge.
Well, that's what Kenny said yesterday with Dan Potts when I jumped on with Agal and Northside and Albert. Kenny said, yo, score prediction, if they go 1-0 up, it's game over. How do we know this, mate?
Yeah, but you know what, Lee, you said that because I watched that. Albert even said it. Kenny said it. You said it. Northside. See, we put
positive at times as well.
Yeah,
like, very positive at times.
He sees Albert.
Mate.
He sees exactly what we see. Any true Arsenal fan that's really looking at
jump
this,
out and jump back in. Yeah, I'm lagging, mate.
Yeah. Any Arsenal fan that does not have on rose-tinted glasses and can actually see this for what it is knows we're not performing. We're not looking good. We can't get anything done. The manager's not changing anything. The tactics aren't working anymore. It's time to go. It's time to end this. We need to salvage the season while we can. Salvage the season while we can.
That is the slogan right there, mate. Salvage the season whilst we can.
Yeah, because I watched it. Looked at him tonight, Lee. He was sitting on that bench, just this one shot. If I can get it later, I'm gonna see
with AirPod Albert.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can screenshot it because he was sitting there. He didn't know what was going on. He's blowing breath. He's doing all this. He's getting yellow cards for playing with the ball. And he's out of ideas. This week, Edu left. Maybe it's the separation anxiety. Edu's out of there now. So now it's on you, Arteta. I did a video this week and I said, you are next. You are next, man. And with these performances, it's right around the corner. We don't. I mean, we don't look. We didn't look new. We didn't look fresh. Lee, it was the same thing we saw this weekend, if not worse. This team is done under this manager. The players are getting ready to down tools any second now. These players are gonna come out. You're gonna start
I think
seeing.
they already have that.
Well, I'm telling you what you're getting ready to see. You're gonna start looking around on posts tonight. In the next couple of days, you're gonna start seeing players starting to light posts. You're gonna start seeing that kind of crap again.
Mate, we all know they watch the streams, mate. Yeah, we all know they watch the streams. Yeah, Ben White looked like he couldn't be fucking asked tonight. Yeah, the only players that walk out of that pitch with saying, "Oh, I actually did all right." Timber, he subbed him. He was our best player at that point.
And who did he bring on for? Who did he bring on?
Zinchenko.
And what did he do?
Nothing.
What did he do, Lee?
Got cooked. Barrea flicked the ball over his head like it was nothing. Party did all right. But when I say all right ain't good enough, matey. The goalkeeper had nothing to do apart from the pen. Why? Because they were just like, look at the scenes at the end of the game, mate. That summed up here, and I said this to Kenny. The scenes at the end of the game summed up everything about us, mate. They were like,
yeah. Don't worry, I'm gonna find that screenshot tonight too. I'm probably available. I'm gonna find it tonight. We're joking to these teams. We're becoming a joke in the Premier League, and we're definitely becoming one.
Going back to what we were under Wenger.
Lee, I told you, I said this team is just about the same way it was when he first got here. Everything has been completely eradicated. We're done. Everything. We had a functioning team for the last 2 years, and then this year he destroys it all. He completely destroys it all. We look like trash. Cross after cross. 46 crosses, and you walk away with nothing? 46! That's not shots on goal, ladies and gentlemen. That's crosses into the box.
Why are we crossing the ball against a defensive team that are playing a defensive line? When I say defensive, they're not defensive, but they are. Yeah, they just said, yo, cool. When they've got the ball, just tuck in.
Yeah.
We'll go with our 5. The amount of times it's just aimless. We're crossing for crossing's sake, mate.
Yeah, that's exactly what
Saka or Martinelli get the ball, and we just sat there laughing. Yeah. And if that was Lamine Yamal, yeah, it just cook you. Yeah.
Saka had
running, slowing down as he's getting into the box.
Yeah, he runs, slows down. Saka has a one-on-one, doesn't know what to do. He's been coached out of him. We've heard him say it himself. Well, the manager doesn't want that. This manager is killing this team. He's killing what kind of creativity these players have. He is killing these players' careers, man. He's killing it. Inter Milan is has not given up a goal. And what was it I said? I want to go back to that. I want to make sure 9 clean sheets in 11. 9 in 11. So what the hell made you think you're just gonna cross the ball in there and just do something?
And that was their reserve defense.
Yeah,
and the one that came in, Bissac that came in there instead of Bastoni, for me, he was man of the match.
Lee, when you play a team like that, you've got to control the ball, bring them out of the shell,
and then bang.
Bang, shoot the gaps, bam. That's it. You're not going to go in there and just spam your way to a goal. It was just, you can see the frustration when it wasn't working. Cross in, header, off the line. Cross in, header, off the line. Off the line, off the line, off the line, off the line. Clear. It was like that all night. Clear. It is just like look over the manager. What is he doing?
Dude, it was like Henry Wright on a fucking on a video, trying to catch the ball.
Yeah, getting yellow cards for stupid stuff. Yellow cards for stupid stuff. Bro, for me, man, Lee, the quicker he goes, the quicker we can save the season. That's it. That's all I gotta say.
That's the last thing to say. Listen, Matty, I appreciate your time as always, man. And listen, we need more people like us spitting facts here. Like, we're older heads. Yeah, we educate. Yeah, we know our club inside out. You've coached to a high level. You've played to a high level. You know Arsenal inside out. Yeah,
we look unrecognizable, man.
Yeah, mate, this guy's taking us back massively, and it's done. It's done, bro. There's something not right at that club anyway. Yeah, the fact that Edu's just suddenly out and didn't leave. Why did none of these top journalists get any wind of that? Because
they know everything else.
He's definitely had to serve some kind of notice to leave, bro. You don't go in corporate world and say, oh yeah, here's my resignation, I've cleared my office, I'll give the key fob back to Cole, and I'm leaving, bye-bye. No, it don't work like that. You either get put on gardening leave, or you have to serve a notice. They knew this, and there has been a tug of war, and Arteta's won. And guess what? Now you better fucking deliver. And what's he done since? Nada. And on that bombshell, we're going to go on the emergency meeting. Matty, shout your channel out, man. Southern Gooner, what you got coming up? Obviously, we're on an emergency meeting straight after, but what else you got?
Emergency stream there. You can follow me here on YouTube, Southern Gooner. I'm just combobulated, man, because this game I'm just really sick of this team at the moment, man, because this manager has ruined the joy that I have watching this football team. It is absolutely dire straits here at this football club league.
Facts. We're out. Cronky out. Laters.
Arteta out.